Hello friends, everybody, welcome to my new update video. Here is given that an exponential equation. This equation is 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power x by 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 24. Let's go start. How can we solve this equation easily? Okay, here we common 6 to the power x 1 plus 1 plus 1 and by 3 to the power x common, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 24. Then we can write 6 to the power x and the 1 and 1 is equal to 3 by 3 to the power x by into 2 is equal to 24. Now we multiply the both sides by 2 by 3. Why we multiply the both sides by 2 by 3? Here the left side 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So we have multiplied the both sides 2 by 3. Okay. 6 to the power x and 3 to the power x. 3 to the power x into 3 by 2 multiply by 2 by 3 is equal to 24. 2 by 3. Okay, here 3 and 3 cancel and 2 and 2 cancel, and as multiply divided 24 by 3 is equal to 8. Okay friends, and we know a to the power x and b to the power x is equal to, we can write a by b x all to the power x. So we can write 6 by 3 to the power x is equal to 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Here 3 and 6 as divided 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, and can to the power x, and 16 is 16 2 by divided 16 by 2 is 8 and divided 2 by 4 in 8 is equal to 4, and divided 2 by divided 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Here is 1 2 3 4 and 2 is 4 number, so we can write to the power 4. Here x 2 and 2 and x is equal to 4, so we can write x is equal to 4. This is the final value of this equation. Everybody please subscribe my channel to get a new updated video. Okay, thank you.